everybody, welcome back to another episode of Mile High Pokéden. Today, I'm going to be finishing up my Sun and Moon Burning Shadows box opening. Got 12 more packs to open. We'll see what we can pull. If you guys haven't seen the other two videos, I've pulled some good stuff already. I think I pulled a secret rare, Super Scoop Up, and Greninja GX, I'm thinking. No, it was a Salazzle, I think. So I recommend you guys go check out those videos. Alright, let's get right into this opening now. So, start off your code card there. 4 cards to the front. And we started off with our Leaf Energy. And a Whirlipede, a Guzma, always like a Guzma, Ribombee, Mushroom, Sandcastle, Venipede, Horsea, Mudbray, Reverse Electric, and an Electivire rare. Next pack. Alright, there's the code card. Alright, we're starting it off with an Electric Energy, Mount Lanakila, Kiwai, Simisear, Alolan Rattata, Porygon, Panpour, Pansage, Esper, Reverse Metapod, and a Lycanroc rare. Hoping we can pull that Rainbow Rare Charizard. That's the only card I really want from the set. That's the reason I bought this box. Trying to pull him. So we got Fairy Energy, Corellia, Olivia, Lunatone, Ladybug, Hoothoot, Alolan Vulpix, Ralts, Alolan Grimer, Reverse Rhyperior, and an Alolan Raticate for a rare. Dang, man, not getting lucky at all. 3 packs in, nothing. Not even a foil rare. I guess we got the Reverse Rhyperior, but that doesn't count. Alright, code card for you guys. Okay. Fire Energy, Heatmor, Lana, Tormenting Spray, Sock, Noibat, Stuffle, Mudbray, Tynamo, Araquanid, and Porygon Z as our foil rare. So I have a couple of this one in reverse, so it's really cool to actually get one in foil. I like the foil better. These new reverses aren't so cool. We'll take it though. Porygon Z, our first pull. Let's see if we can continue the pulls here. There's a code card. Alright, got ourselves a Darkness Energy, Trainer, Seadra, Rotom Dex, Sneasel, Charmander, Crabrawler, Meowth, Stuffle, Reverse Caterpie, and a Bruxish Fish as our rare. So far, this box hasn't been anything too spectacular, but gotten a few things, I guess. Code card for you guys. Alright, let's see what we got here. Steel Energy, a Charmeleon, Dusclops, Potan, Oddish, Duskull, another Mushroom, Caterpie, Marill, Reverse Whirlipede, and on the end we got a Rainbow Rare Tapu Fini. Heck yes. Woo! I was getting concerned that we weren't going to pull anything, guys. We will take that Tapu Fini though. I think that's my, I don't know, 5th or 6th Rainbow Rare I've pulled. That's really cool. Heck yeah. Now let's just try and get the Rainbow Rare Charizard. think we'll get it now. We've already gotten a secret rare and a rainbow rare out of this box, so chances of getting that now are pretty low. Maybe you guys can get one on the game with these code cards. See, I got this as a secret rare in the last episode. Electabuzz, Sophocles, Pansage, Croagunk, Pikachu, Panbor, Cutiefly, Reverse Escape Rope, and our rare is a Tangrowth, the Spaghetti Monster. I got 5 more packs, including this one, so let's see what we can pull. Alright, we got code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Counting's hard sometimes. Alright, we got a Fire Energy, Oregon 2, Weakness Policy, Simisage, a Rhyhorn, Sandygast, Hoothoot, Tangela, Spaghetti Monster's little baby, Dupiter, Reverse Corellia, and on the end we got a Alolan Muck GX. Heck yes. I don't have him yet. I don't think I have a single Alolan Muck yet, so it'll be awesome to put into my binder. Sleeve him up. Alright, let's go into the next pack. Looks like the bottom of this stack was where all the good cards were hanging out. The first part of this episode is going to be pretty boring, but at least now you guys are having fun, right? At least I am. That's what counts, that I'm having fun, right? Alright, let's see if we can continue our luck. Let's see what else we can pull. Bodybuilding Dumbbells, Simipour, Solrock, Pansear, Magikarp, Alolan Rattata, Wimpod, Togedemaru, Reverse Pansage, and on the end we have a Turtonator rare, regular. 3 more packs. Alright, there's your code card. Okay, here we go. Lightning Energy. Mount Lana Kalila. Kiwai, Simisear, Caterpie, Oregon, Sock, Oddish, Charmander, Reverse Heracross rare, and on the end we got a Gyarados foil. That's cool. I like Gyarados. He's one of my favorite Pokemon from the base set for sure. Go and sleeve him up and put him with the rest of them in the back. Alright, second to last pack. Here's the code card. Let's get that out of here. Okay, alright. Started off with the Darkness Energy, Escape Rope. Oh, the stack's almost falling over. Gloom, Acerola, Ladybug, Caterpie, Sandygast, Venipede, Sneasel, Wishful Baton, Reverse, and our rare is a Persian. Regular rare. Alright guys, last pack of Destiny. This has the Charizard in it. I just really want it to be the Charizard, but I doubt it is. I doubt it is. Alright. There's the code card, last one for you guys. And this will be the last pack of this Burning Shadows box opening. Sophocles, Ribombee, Solrock, Ralts, Tangela, Tynamo, Brawler, Inkay, Reverse Polisand rare, and on the end we have, hey, a Marshadow GX on the last pack. Heck yeah, that's a really cool looking one. I like it. I don't have this one yet either, so I'll add this to my binder also. That is dope, guys. Alright, let's do a recap for you guys. Show you what I pulled. Alright, so we got our Tapu Fini GX Rainbow Rare, which is really cool. I like how it looks. Got a Alolan Muck GX. A Marshadow that we just pulled GX. Gyarados regular foil. And then Porygon Z foil. Alright guys, that'll be it for this box opening. If you like what you saw, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and join us next time for some more Pokemon card openings.